intro video for you guys here in Nazareth. We're gonna see if we can get it. Take one. Hi everyone, welcome to a new episode. Today we're talking about bull traps. I'm surfing in Nazareth. It's from creation. I told them Nano, it's from creation. Bam bam, ayo, what bam bam, bam bam, dilang, bam bam, bam bam. I can't make a video like this without the disclaimer that I am not a financial expert, and this is not investment advice. All information provided in this video is for entertainment purposes only. If you've heard the phrase bull trap being thrown around lately because the price of Bitcoin has begun to rise a bit, but you're not sure what it is or what you should or could do about it, let's take a better look at it today. So right off the bat, a bull trap is essentially a false positive. It occurs when a coin that has been in a downward price trend suddenly reverses, but that reversal doesn't have enough momentum and ultimately the coin continues its downward trend. This is also called a whipsaw pattern. If you've been in this space for the past year, you certainly are well aware of the downtrend to which I am referring. Now, as of late, there seems to be a bit of hope in the air that the bulls may have gained some traction and the crypto winter may be over. But are we seeing a bull trap instead? Here are some things to take note of if you want to determine this. Is the trading volume increasing with the price? If not, please be careful with your trades. This very well might be a bull trap. Low volume signals that this price movement doesn't have a lot of momentum and could easily retrace. Also, are there bullish candlesticks that follow the breakout? A 3 white soldiers is one example of a bullish candlestick pattern that is used to predict a reversal of a downtrend. Now, if you are a trader and you want to protect yourself from taking big losses during a bull trap, double check the volume. If it's low relative to the volatility of the price movement, go ahead and set some stop losses so you will be protected if the price ends up falling. Now, it is far too early to tell, and I'm not here to give any false hope, but for those who are interested in knowing which price points are crucial for Bitcoin, allow me to enlighten you. A lot of people have been a bit on edge lately with Bitcoin and this price of $4,000. Now, this is a significant price point for Bitcoin because for the past 4 months, this price has been the battleground for the bulls versus the bears. And the bears have been winning, meaning there have been more traders willing to sell at a lower price than $4,000. Luckily for Bitcoin, it has now established this $4,000 resistance level as a level of support. This means that instead of trying to fight upwards past 4,000, it now has become a price point that is somewhat a safety net that Bitcoin has not fallen past for the past week. So if we consider $4,000 a victory, what is the next hurdle and what happens then? According to good old Yahoo Finance, there is an article that goes over the key resistance levels that Bitcoin will need to surpass for us to see a price like $5,000 and beyond. Now, first up is $4,190, which Bitcoin did surpass about a month ago, but that victory was very short-lived. It was not met with much momentum at all and ended up resulting in a quick retrace down to about 3,800. And that's something to take into consideration, the speed at which Bitcoin rises. A slow rise will exhaust the bears and give the bulls a better chance to establish dominance, which it seems like this is what we have been witnessing this past week. After that price of $4,190 on our way up, keep your eye out for the $4,236 range and then $4,388. Again, according to that Yahoo Finance article, if these price points are met and coincide with high volume, don't you forget about that part, a $5,000 level is next. But don't call it a comeback yet, because there is still plenty of hurdles ahead and a lot left to be proven. Now, I know all of this talk about price is an easy way to get anxious about the future of Bitcoin. Quite frankly, it's almost painful for me to do a video like this because it seems so shallow to talk about the kind of technology that we're talking about only in terms of price. It's a very easy way to forget what it's all about, talking about price, that is. Now, in case you feel like you could use some words of encouragement,
I've got your back. Check out the links provided here in the upper right-hand corner. They are also found down below in the video description.
All right, that's all I have for you today on this episode. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you learned something, you found it educational. If you did, I'd love it if you liked it, shared it out, and also leave a comment down below if there's anything else you would like to learn about on this video, on this channel, Crypto Tips. This is a very privileged view of a place called Nazaré in Portugal, by the way, so enjoy it, eh?